Plenty of rain expected across mid-Michigan the next couple of days, and actually tomorrow we have portions of the TV5 viewing area in their first severe weather outlook of the season. It is just a marginal risk for our southern counties, portions of Shiawassee and Genesee, but a good time for us to review what those terms actually mean since it is Severe Weather Awareness Week. Generally think of those severe weather outlooks as a 1 to 5 scale, with marginal being the lowest risk. Generally out of 20 thunderstorms, you might get 1 or 2 that go severe, or we've got the slight and enhanced, which are just a little bit higher than that marginal, where we start to get into more than just a few severe storms. And then the moderate and high risk are the worst case scenarios. These are usually our long-lived, widespread, intense type severe storms that often come with a few tornadoes and perhaps some high wind events like derechos and those types of things. Thankfully, we don't see those too often, but occasionally we'll get a moderate risk, so always good to know those terms regardless. As for tonight, we've just got light rain moving in, and even with that risk in Shiawassee and Genesee County for tomorrow, I think the worst of the severe weather will actually stay to our south. We'll keep our eyes on it as usual, but just light rain moving in this evening. It's been a pretty slow start to this. Some dry air from that easterly flow off of Lake Huron has allowed us to just get some light showers or sprinkles throughout the day, but things will start picking up, especially after we get past 7 o'clock tonight and into the overnight time frame. Your First Warn 5 Sky Tracker shows it's this big area of low pressure that's leading to these showers and storms all the way through Indiana, Ohio, and areas to the south of there, but the area of low pressure itself is still well to the west. That moves northeast over the next couple of days, and as it does so, it keeps showers in our forecast through that time as well. Your First Warn 5 hour-by-hour forecast shows as we go through the night, shower coverage only expands. Most of this rain on the lighter side, but we will get some pockets that come down a little bit more efficiently than others. Northern counties where our temperatures cool off a little bit more tonight will have the chance for at least a period of freezing rain. Some snow might be mixed in that too. We'll have to watch for some slippery areas for the morning commute tomorrow. Now, temperatures are going to be really close to that freezing mark, so if we stay a little bit above, that threat goes away. Hopefully that happens, but it's, again, close enough for us to pay attention to as we work into tomorrow. As we go through the day on Wednesday, showers will be around much of the time. You may get a break as we head towards midday. Don't expect it to last too long. Those showers pick back up again during the afternoon and evening, and I think we could have a chance for a few thunderstorms during that Wednesday evening time frame, perhaps with some heavy rain, gusty winds, and maybe even a little hail mixed in there too. With temperatures in the 40s at ground level, the freezing level above our heads pretty low, so I think some hail might mix in too. As for how much rain through 7 a.m. on Friday, I think generally between about an inch or 2. Of course, these totals will vary from place to place, but I think this is a good overview. And also, thankfully, we're spreading this out over the course of a couple of days. So while flooding is possible in our traditional rain-soaked areas this time of year, I don't think we'll see anything extreme. Here's your low temperatures for tonight. We've got low to mid 30s. So again, some freezing rain will be possible in areas that cool off to that freezing mark, but we should come up above that 40-degree mark in most areas pretty quickly as we work through tomorrow. Your forecast tonight, 35, spotty showers early, becoming a widespread rain late. The wind starts to pick up too. Wind gusts over 30 miles per hour late tonight. Your forecast tomorrow, right around 46 with periods of rain and even a little thunder possible. And then your 7-day forecast shows 40s through the end of the work week, then cooling down into the second half of the weekend. Some 30s return early next week, but at least we dry out a bit on Sunday and Monday.
All right, Chris, thank you.